This dance is called Love You More. It's a 32 count, 2 wall, beginner level line dance. Now for those of you who are familiar with the improver level dance, Sweet Caroline, this is actually the first 32 counts of that dance. So we're starting on the right foot, going to point the right to the side. Touch the right beside the left. Step the right, large step to the side. Drag the left towards the right and touch the left beside the right. You're going to repeat all of that with the left foot. So you're going to point the left to the side, touch the left beside the right. Big step to the side on the left. Drag the right beside and touch beside the left. That little set of steps once more then. Point, touch, side touch, off on the right. 7, 8. Point, touch, side touch. Point, touch, side touch. Into a modified V-step. So we're going to do this V-step. V-steps are so called because you're actually drawing that shape of the V on the floor. However, with this one, we're also going to put a quarter of a turn in it. So you'll start the same as you would on any other V-step. You're going to step your right foot diagonally forward to the right. The left foot goes diagonally forward to the left. Now when you bring that right foot diagonally back to where it started from, this is where you make your quarter of a turn. Make sure at that point you have actually turned your whole body. Then step the left beside the right. So that's your V-step, but you put that quarter turn on it, or in it. You're going to do that again, exactly the same. So we're going to step the right diagonally forward to the right, left diagonally forward to the left. As you bring that right foot diagonally back, you are going to make that quarter of a turn to the right, then bring the left beside the right. So if you think a normal V-step, you would go out, you would come back and you would close. The only difference is when you come back with that right, I'm also putting that quarter turn right on it. So let's just do that set of steps once more then, those modified V-step quarter turns. 7, 8, out, turn, close, out, turn, close. So hopefully you've turned yourself 180 degrees, you're now facing the back wall. Let's put those two sections together. Point, touch, off on the right. 7, 8. Point, touch, side touch. Point, touch, side touch. Out, turn, close. Out, turn, close. Vine to the right. So we're going to step the right to the side, cross the left behind the right, step the right to the side, touch that left beside the right. Vine back to the left, so we step the left to the side, cross the right behind the left, step the left to the side, touch that right beside the left. 2 vines, just do those once more, off on that right. 7, 8, side, behind, side, touch, side, behind, side, touch. Add that to the top. Point, touch, off on the right. 7, 8, point, touch, side, touch, point, touch, side, touch, out, turn, close, out, turn, close. Side, behind, side, touch, side, behind, side, touch. A nice easy set of steps just to finish the dance. We're going to walk forward, right, left, right, kick the left forward, then walk back, left, right, left, touch the right beside the left, you're ready to start the dance all over again. So it's nice and easy, but let's just practice it. Walking forward, off on the right. 7, 8. Walk, 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 kick, back, 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 touch. So end of dance, let's put it all together. Point, touch, off on the right. 7, 8. Point, touch, side touch. Point, touch, side touch. Out, out, turn, close, out, out, turn, close. Side, behind, side, touch, side, behind, side, touch. Walk, 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 kick, back, 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 touch. So that is your dance. There it is, a 2-wall dance. So let's have a go at the back wall, and we'll keep going when we get back to the front, so you can see how the walls join together. And I will speed it up just a fraction when we get back to the front, because this piece of music is a little bit faster than the Sweet Caroline track. Point, touch, off on the right. 7, 8. Point, touch, side, touch, point, touch, side, touch. Out, out, turn, close, out, out, turn, close. Side, behind, side, touch, side, behind, side, touch. Walk, 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 kick, back, 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 touch. Point, touch, side, touch, point, touch, side, touch. Out, out, in, close, out, out, turn, close, side, behind, side, touch, side, behind, side, touch. Walk, 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 kick, back, 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 touch. So that is your dance and your walkthrough. Let's give it a go to their music. Five, 6, 7, 8. Point, touch, side, touch. Point, touch, side, touch. Out, out, turn, close. Out, turn, close. Side, behind, side, touch. Side, behind, side, touch. Walk, walk, walk. Kick, back, 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 touch. Point, touch, side, touch. Point, touch, side, touch. Out, out, turn, close. Out, turn, close. Side, behind, side, touch. Side, behind, side, touch. Walk, 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 kick, back, 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 touch, point, touch, side, touch, point, touch, side, touch, out, turn, close, out, turn, close, side, behind, side, touch, side, behind, side, touch, walk, 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 kick, back, 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 touch, point, touch, side, touch, point, touch, side, touch, out, turn, close, out, turn, close, side, behind, side, touch, side, behind, side, touch, walk, 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 kick, back, 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 touch, points. You can ask me for V, but you can never make me love you more. 5, give me everything I never had before. Walks, but you can never make me love you more. Points. V, Vine, walk, points. V, Vine, walk. Hope you managed that one.